Hey everybody, if we're meeting for the first time, my name is CL King. I'm the Impact Motivator, also the CEO of Impacting Life 24/7. In just a few short weeks, a sacred institution of learning like this is going to be full of young people eager to shake off the summer doldrums and come back in here to the rigors and the vigorous opportunities of learning. Well, over the summer, I've been able to went back to the lab and put together a brand new assembly presentation for elementary, middle, and high school students. It's called Achieve. You know, many times we hear that word, and many times students hear that word. We want you to achieve this. We want you to go to a higher level. We want to close the achievement gap. But what are the forensics of the word achieve? What are the ingredients? So we took time this summer to create a really exciting, engaging presentation to help students really capture what that word achieve means. And I would love to come to your city and share that with you. All you got to do is reach out to us at clkingspeaker.com. You can email us at info@il247.org, or you can call us at 252-626-8987. We're looking forward to helping your students really understand and accomplish this word achieve. We look forward to hearing from you. Take care.